We talk about 5 characteristics of the Japanese trains for now.
This section describes characteristics of the Japanese trains. Generally, punctuality is considered very important in Japan. We have been strictly taught to respect time since our childhood. For example, we are supposed to arrive 5 minutes before the meeting time, so the Japanese trains come on time.
The second feature is the timetable, which is easy to see. We can easily see when the next train comes. Should you had better take a picture of the timetable by your cell phone and bring it with you all the time. You can check a Tokyo Metro and JR website.
The third characteristic of Japanese train system is to have better access to various sightseeing spots. When you take a train, you can sometimes go to your destination without transferring. For example, you can go to Tokyo Tower, Skytree, Asakusa, and Harajuku with one train from Shibuya, so you can easily go to sightseeing spot by train.
The fourth feature is that it tells us the delay information immediately. Those who are on the train and at the train station can be informed. You can also know it immediately at smartphone and on TV. We can get a delay certificate from train station. We can hand it in to school or work to prove that delay was not our fault.
The fifth is that the inside of train is designed for people-friendly train. This is Japanese new style vehicle. A cushion like a pillow is equipped in the end of the seat. Passengers can feel comfortable with cushion. This is a strap. A passenger can grasp it in order to support his body in the train. The above is the characteristic of the Japanese train.